Here. I need to.
You can download our Muji application.
Hey guys! So, na-receive ko yung package from American Eagle. So, mag-unbox tayo today. So, unbox guys. Kanina pala, dumaan ako sa Dubai Mall. Nag-exchange ako ng items sa Lululemon. So, parang pagdating ko dito sa opisina, tinry ko ulit siya. Parang masakit pa din. Tinanggal ko yung aking mga rings. So, ito naman. Ayan na natin ito. Ito, sarang lang for cover pala. Cover. Or pag nag-swimming. Tawag doon, cover up something. So, mahaba siya. Ito lang guys. Next, this one. Next, this one. It's medium. And then next, this one. Medium din siya. Just this little. Let's try it. So yun lang. Ano sa akin ma? Eat. Bye. So this is size 8.
Yeah, please wait.
Yes. It's fine. Hi guys. Good morning. So I received a Hi guys! So I received finally yung package from Lululemon. Matagal ko na itong na-order nung 1st of July pa. Tumawag na rin ako sa kanila kasi normally the next day yung delivery nila, pero this time parang ang tagal. So sabi ni madam, they are facing problem daw. So in online daw orders. So lang guys, para may kulay naman ang ating lips. So anyway, mag-haul ako. This is what I ordered from Lululemon. Ilulog natin siya guys. Kasi ganyan. Let's open it. Anyway, unahin ko this one. Ito pang yoga to eh. Pero ayan. So, ang size nito is 6. So, this one. Traffic. And then this one. Normal na yoga t-shirt na. So, this one is 6 also. Size 6. Nice. Try ko na lang later. Tapos, this one is 6. Kasi nga wala silang fold. Normally pala. So ako. So this is the 6. Ayan. So let's try. So ito siya. Size 6 naman. And then this one is size 8. Ito naman 4. Cycling, biking naman. And then this one, ito rin parang malaki. Size 6. Wala na kasing 4. So, tingnan natin kung parang kasya nito. Ito muna. TMI. This is Conti. Kaya tingnan ko yung dito. I-feel mo. Pero tingin ko naman kasya. And this one is size 6. So, try ko sila guys. Pero parang haba nito. Let's see. Yun lang guys. Bye-bye. Hi guys. So, na-receive ko yung isang package from American Eagle. Ito na yung last na order ko kasi na traveling. These are pants. So, sa mga kasya ko. This one. And kasi ito short to. This one. Ito yung 4. Yeah. So this small. Yan. Yun lang. Yun lang guys. Yun lang yung tatlong in-order ko from American Eagle. So try ko siya. And the pants. Unbox ako kasi na-receive ko yung in-order ko from Lululemon. This one. Diba? So this is the Hello.
Nakalis ka na?
Paalis pa lang. Sika mo.
Hindi pa nga, akala ko naman.
Ayan, box ko to. Ano ko ba ito in-order nung Sunday? Ayan natin yun. Parang ayan. pasok nila sa loob.